Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of your favorite YouTubers, DanTDM. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So for this one, we'll simplify a little bit, just to make it a little bit easier to draw. So we're going to start out with his eyes, and we're going to draw two curves going out, just kind of slanting down slightly. This is going to be the top of his eyelids. Okay, and then from there, just right underneath those curves, drawing the eyeball. Just two curves, kind of like a half circle. And then on the inside, I'm going to add in a big circle there, and that's going to be my highlight. And then I'll just shade around it. Okay, so that's going to be his eyes, and then now for his eyebrow, so just come up from the eyes. So again, it's going to be slanting down slightly. And let's make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in his nose, so just right in the middle right here, just come down. We'll keep this simple, we just draw one little curve. And then for his mouth, just come down and give him a slight smile. And then for his lower lip, just draw one little line. Okay, so now let's fill in the face so it doesn't look so weird. So we're going to come to the side here. There's two straight lines all the way down here. So it's like a little bracket, and then we're going to extend it down. Just kind of tighten it up a little bit, come in a little bit more past his mouth. And then we're going to keep going in. And then we'll close that off. Okay, so now we can draw in the, well, let's draw in his ear. So since we're on the side right here, so just come out from the side of the eye. Bracket. He's got those earrings. So I'm just gonna draw a little circle, and then I'll just shade it in real quick. Alright, so now let's draw in his hair. So we're gonna come up on the side right here. Okay, just go up, and then it's gonna curve all the way around. Just come up, and just dip it in to this side. Okay, so once we have that, now let's continue on right here. Just go up. And then now we're gonna draw in some of those spikes. Just one little hook right there. Come across. One more. And then now we're gonna go all the way across, past the ear. And then just kind of zigzag down. Just come all the way down and tuck it right behind the ear. Alright, so now let's finish up the hair on this side so that it doesn't look so weird. So I'm just going to start up here, and this one's just going to curve right behind the ear. Okay, and if you want to add in some details, we can just add in some lines just to give us a little bit more flow. Okay, so now let's continue on to the body. So for his neck, we'll just come down 2 lines. We just close it off, so he's gonna be wearing a hoodie. Okay, come down the middle right here. Make a little point right in the middle, and then we're gonna come back up here. We're gonna draw the back of the hoodie first. So start right here, just bracket down to right around the neck area. And then whatever space you have here, just curve into the point. Okay, and then to finish up the hoodie, we'll just add in one border right here. And just kind of hook it up. Okay, and then on the neckline right here, we'll just extend this. So that looks like it's wrapping around. Alright, so that's the hoodie. So now let's come down and we'll finish up the clothing here. So we're gonna have his arms in his pocket right here. So we're gonna start right here, just come down, make 2 little points. This is gonna be his armpit. From here, we'll just kind of come down It's gonna be his waist area right here. And this might be a little bit strange right here, but we're gonna come in. We're actually drawing part of the arm now. Okay, so one little bracket like this, and then curve all the way around. So that's gonna be the waist area. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in the arms, because his arm's gonna be in front of the his clothing right here. So right in the corner here, just draw 2 lines like this. This is gonna be his wrist. Okay, so now we're gonna come back up here. Here's the shoulder. Just curve down here, the little corner. So this will take us all the way down to his elbow right here. And then now whatever space you have here, we'll just connect it. But I'm gonna add in a little bit of folding right here, just to make it a little bit more interesting. So it's adding a little bracket like this, and then we'll just kind of come in and add in some more folds. Okay, and then on the bottom here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a detail here, right on the cuff. Alright, so now let's finish up the hoodie. I'm just gonna add in 2 strings right here. Just add 2 lines, and then whatever line you have, we'll just give it some thickness. And if you want to add in a pocket here, you can do that. Just 2 little curves. Maybe 1 line going across. Alright, so that's the upper body, and then we're going to draw in his hands, and then we'll draw in his pants right here. So right here, we're going to draw in his thumb. Just draw a little hook like this first. So his hand's going to be inside a pocket. So right here, we're going to start here on the side. Just come down, and then we'll close it off with a slant. So that's going to be his pocket right here. So come down the side for the hand, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off. Alright, so yeah, I know it looks a little bit strange, but once we finish up the pants, it will all make sense. Okay, so let's come down the middle. Let's draw 1 little curve. Let's add a little fold right here. Let's start on the bottom here. Just go all the way down, 2 slants going out. So that's going to be the inside of the leg. And now for the outside of the leg. Okay, so let's just start in this corner. Just go all the way down. Right here, same thing here. Just follow the same slant. So this one's a little bit longer on the inside. And then when we close it, just give it a slight curve. Alright, and then now for his shoes, we'll just start on the inside here, just come down. And then on this side, we'll come out, just curve it down, and then just close it off. And let's just go ahead and add 1 line here. Same thing here, go out, just curve, close it. Same detail here. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail to the shoe, start in the middle right here. There's 1 curve going out. Okay, so start in the middle and then just curve it up. Alright, and then let's add a little bit more detail to the clothing here. Just 1 more line on the bottom. Alright, so that is it for my drawing of Dan. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.